pa rin kayo ng One Morning, ang aming special bridal edition. At syempre, nais ko pong pasalamatan si Mr. Edsy for my very wonderful gown. Thank you very much. And ngayon po ay makakapanayam natin siya. Maraming salamat sa pagpapasuot mo sa amin ng iyong mga wonderful gowns.
It's my honor and you're welcome. One Morning.
Yes, One Morning. And ano ba to, na-overwhelm ako. Parang sanay na ng ngiti. Yung mga ganitong klase ng designs ba, how do you come up with them?
Usually we get inspiration also from the personality ng client, the bride-to-be. Then of course, I also get inputs from them. Then saka namin ina-execute yung design.
Paano kung kunyari, merong hinandang design ang bride, tapos hindi bagay sa kanya? Do you tell the bride or...?
Indirectly, I have to tell it to her na medyo sasablay tayo ng konti dyan. So I have to explain to her thoroughly na this is the more appropriate design for her. Okay, we could just combine. I'll just get a portion of that design, then we'll combine with my ideas.
And then, halimbawa, itong ganitong klase ng gown, how long would it take?
Medyo matagal po. Kung 10 manpower po yan, so it would take around 30 days to finish kasi it's fully beaded po eh.
How about that one, yung naka-focus po ngayon?
Mas matagal po yun kasi it's manually sewn also. Tsaka it's almost entirely fully beaded also, mga 2 months to finish.
So, ang recommendation mo, pag first visit ng bride sa inyo to magpa-consult about the gown?
Actually, we require po 6 months booking. The shortest would be 3 months booking. So, kapag medyo peak season talaga, 6 months is the least time.
I see. Okay. Can you give us an idea naman ng price range? Can you work with yung mga medyo natitipid ng konti?
Opo. We cater to sa lahat po ng budget. Our minimum charge for a wedding gown is 25,000 inclusive of all wedding accessories. Tapos kung medyo may budget na sila, it goes to 35,000, 50, 75, 100, 150.
Do you have packages for kunyaring entourage? Gusto niya kasama lahat ng mga flower girls?
We actually offer for wedding packages. The Charm, Elegance, Majesty, and Royal. 70,000, 90, 120, and 250,000 po.
And then, madali naman pong iayusin yung payment options ng mga clients.
Yeah, po. Plus, of course, we also accept major credit cards. And we only require 50% down payment upon booking. And the balance, pwede na pong pag-usapan din.
Naku, syempre, naiintindihan mo naman doon, syempre, yung mga gastusin din ng mga ikakasal.
Yes.
Oo.
Especially nowadays, medyo mahirap ang buhay.
And then, di ba, you also make sure na makakarating ka agad yung gown dun sa bride, no? Even prior to the wedding day. Normally, how many days before the actual wedding date do you
Kami po, SOP, na 1 week before the event or the wedding date, pick up na po nila. So, meron pa pong previous schedule dun for the fittings. Kaya pag medyo sila po ang hindi nakarating sa fittings, doon pa nagkakaproblema, nagkakaroon ng delay.
I see. How can we contact you kaya? Para sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon at nagagandahan po kayo sa aming mga suot ngayon, kontakin niyo po si Mr. Edsy. Paano po namin kayo
You can call us at our direct line 421-6493 or 913-7072 or you could check our website www.edsy.com.
And please check out na rin kung saan namin yung kanyang shop.
Yeah, it's located 122 J. Rizal Street, corner Girls Day Street, Project 4, Quezon City. And can I just plug my upcoming show?
Go ahead.
June 21 po at the Crossroads, Rampa, Awit, Indak para sa Batang May Utak. This is through BAR Charities Incorporated. Please don't fail to watch. And hi to Marge and to my tita, happy birthday, and to my mom.
Alright, ang bait naman. Anyway, kasama syempre ng isang napakagandang gown to complement natin. Syempre, kailangan din ng magandang makeup to,
Opo.
to boot. And of course, mapapasalam din ako kay Sir Raymond Francisco. And makukontakt niyo po siya sa 656-4579 at ang kanyang cellphone number po ay 0920-922-6859. At ngayon naman po, maraming preparasyon para sa wedding. Isama naman po natin ang usapang pagkain at specifically ang wedding cake. Importante rin po itong paghandaan bukod sa bridal gown, makeup at kung ano-ano pa. Ariana, take it away.
Thank you, Jen, and thank you also, Mr. Edsy, for my beautiful gown. At At ngayon, we're gonna talk about wedding cakes, diba? Syempre, it's not a wedding unless you have the beautiful cake. And, you know, it's not only wedding cakes that you can have on your wedding table. Syempre, may iba-iba pa. And we're here today with Miss Edwina Bandong to tell us more about what Ariel's Cakes and Pastries can offer to make your wedding banquet more memorable and more special. One morning, Miss Edwina, kumusta?
Hello, good morning po, Miss Ariana.
Ano ang mga popular na cakes that couples order when they come to you?
Ang pinaka popular po namin yung chocolate cake kasi dark, moist, pero hindi po siya bitter. Kaya yun ang saleable po namin yung chocolate cake. Next, yung Black Forest. Tapos, ito pong sa wedding cake na, ano po yung cinnamon sticks na talagang favorite. Favorite po nila. We can put fresh flower or strawberry, fresh fruit, strawberry or cherry na mas matingkad yung kulay ng fruits na yon, yung cherries. Strawberry, fresh strawberries. Tapos po yung susunod na, ano po namin, yung next na, next na, introduce namin to yung made from rice flour.
Made from rice flour talaga?
This one provided by the Philippine Rice Institute. Yun po. Medyo na ano na rin po nila, nagugustuhan na rin po nila.
Talaga?
Opo.
And then, you guys also custom make cakes like there's one that we have, the pastillas cake.
Yes, pastillas. Kasi common na yung mga boiled icing, buttercream, yung fondant icing. So, nag-ano po ako ng pastillas from the buffalo's milk.
Okay.
Oo po.
So, is it completely pastillas or no? May talagang
sa
cake
inside
sa
po,
inside?
cake. Opo. You can choose, pero better pong vanilla flavor.
Flavored inside.
Opo. Para mas maano mo yung lasa talaga ng pastillas. And pong pastillas, meron po kaming ube flavor. Ayan po.
Okay.
From yung buffalo's milk po from Philippine Carabao Center. Doon po yes. Yan po yung bago po naming
pastillas cake.
Design na wedding cake.
So, ila-layer to, right? When they
Pwede
order?
pong 5 layers, 3 layers. Depende po sa budget ng mga kinakasal. Then we will meet kung magkano po yung budget niya. Tapos kami na pong bahala. Mag-uusap po kami kung ano yung gusto niya sa cake niya talaga.
Right.
Opo.
So, ito ang mga current favorite flavors, yung mga cinnamon stick, the rice,
rice cake,
pastillas cake. Ito naman po, what is this? The traditional?
The traditional cake.
Okay.
Ayan, simple but elegant.
Right.
Most of the brides choose simple wedding cakes but elegant.
That's true. Wow. So, ano ba ang mga tips nyo when someone comes to you, halimbawa, a couple will come and say, we're looking for a wedding cake pero hindi natin alam what would be a good idea. What would you suggest normally?
Sinasuggest ko minsan, pinapakita ko yung mga books, then they choose it, and then we discuss it. Of course, the budget.
Right.
Lalo na ngayon, nagtitipid yung mga kinakasal. So, dapat kailangan pag-usapan namin talagang detalye.
Right. So, may price range po kayo with your cake?
Ranges from 500 to 25, 30.
Okay.
It depends sa
Depends
gusto
talaga.
nila sa cake nila.
Kung how many layers, what kind of custom design they want talaga. Okay. So, how can they contact you po?
My number is 0918-924-1018 or 044-4560-427. You can order it sa Muñoz po, Nueva Ecija, or in Angeles City and San Fernando, Pampanga.
Ayan po. So, don't forget Ariel's Cakes and Pastries. Thank you so much, Miss Edwina. We enjoyed having you.
Thank you too.
Thank you. So, ayan po, now you know where to get your cakes. Sa mga couples, mga soon-to-be married couples who are looking for where to get their wedding cakes, dito lang. At syempre, ngayon, we're gonna go to Gap, but sa pagbabalik, we still have another round of news, so stay right there.
That we mga balita at